no. You're going to sit there and listen to the funny things I would take instead of your credit card. The guy at table 7 complained it's not enough.
Whatever, YouTube. What I use is cement glue, E6000 super glue. Not super glue, but rubber cement. Put it on my hand. It is also waterproof. But you can still feel. See, I'm whacking it off. Not that much water. Hardly any water. Pretty sweet though. Time to find out who I am. Yep, that's who I am. No, I'm just kidding. Yep. Should be ashamed of myself. Shit, man. YouTube mystery guy.